phone's on silent. I'm ready to fuck some bitches and get money. Not really, cause I'm asexual. Hi Kim, as you can tell by the different bookshelf behind me, I'm currently at my dad's house. Yeah, I'm gonna be here for the rest of the summer. It's kinda nice. Good change of pace. I am so happy that your computer is finally fixed. Oh my god, we can actually do this like we planned to do the whole summer. Thanks a lot, Kim. I'm just kidding, it's not really your fault. It just kinda happened, it's okay. Anywho, thank you so much for the rocks. I love rocks, especially geodes. I'm really excited about those to see the crystals inside of them. It's gonna be really neat. I loved all your traveling videos. They were really cool. It really made me want to go to Europe so bad. I really liked the bit when you were in Notre Dame, with the bells chiming. I felt like Quasimodo. It was so cool. Also, what was up with the Bridge of Locks? I don't know what's going on there, but it looked really cool. And the Eiffel Tower. Oh my god, the Eiffel Tower. I think it's so freaking awesome that you just went to the second floor and the view was still breathtaking. Second floor? Second story. Second story? I am super jealous that you got to go to Disneyland in Paris, although I will say that C-3PO speaking French really kind of freaked me out. I don't know why, because it's a galaxy a long time ago, far, far away, but still, it seemed wrong for C-3PO to speak in anything but a British accent. Did he have a British accent in French? I don't know. Oh my god. There's a cat meowing. Like, she's not trapped anywhere, she's just meowing. I'm very happy that you got to go to Ireland. I know that's like your homeland and stuff. I'm sorry to say that I am on the side of bitch French. I mean, come on, the world is freaking ridiculous. Let's have a funny name for a city. Also, this Justice person is precious. I like them. And as for the Marvel fandom, welcome to the pit you may never escape. I can't wait to see you, and I can't wait to put more postcards on my wall. Okay, that was my response to your videos, and now we're just gonna go around my dad's house and I'm gonna show you all the weird crap he and his wife like to collect. Robot, 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 robots, robot, robot, so many robots. More robots. Oh my god, it's a robot. What's down here? It's a robot. What the hell is this painting? No one knows. Yay, Canada. What is this? Ooh, neat. God, stairs. Oh my god, stairs. Look at all the fucking stairs. It's a circle cat. This is the bell that stands outside the gates of Hades. Dancing many-limbed elephant. What is his hat thinking? Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Hello, what's going on here? No. Dancing pigs.